Turning now to the impeachment hearing of President Park Geun-hye, employees from companies and non-profit foundations allegedly run by her confidant Choi Soon-sil testified. One of them, the nation's pension fund chief, denied involvement of the president in controversial merger of Samsung affiliates in 2015. Kim Ji-yeon keeps us up to speed on the proceedings.
At the 12th hearing in the impeachment trial of President Park Geun-hye on Thursday, Cho Seong-min, the former head of a paper company named the Blue K, and which was allegedly run by President Park's confidant Choi Soon-sil, said he was aware of the close ties Choi had with President Park while he was in charge of the firm. K-Sports Foundation manager Park Heon-young also testified that Choi had showed him classified documents, including the Culture Ministry's 2016 budget plan in 2015 and the president's itinerary plans for multiple overseas travels, and ordered him to base the documents for business plans for the foundation. Cho and Park's testimonies were backed by another K-Sports Foundation's official, No Seung-il, who said Choi had bragged about her ties with the president to him when he was in a business trip to Germany with Choi. However, the former Health and Welfare Minister and the current chair of the National Pension Service, Moon Young-pyo, testified that he did not receive orders from the president to pressure the pension fund to back a controversial merger between two Samsung affiliates in 2015.
As seen in the hearing, there's no evidence that the president had personally gained from the K-Sports Foundation and the Blue K. We hope the financial records of the two companies have been submitted as well.
If the president wishes to appear in court, we request the president's lawyers to submit details of her testimony to the court by February 14th, the latest.
The court told the legal teams from both sides to submit preparatory pleadings by organizing their respective arguments and supporting evidence by February 23rd. The court said it will not admit into evidence police statements of Ko Young-tae and Yoo Sang-young, former officials of the Blue K, as they repeatedly failed to show up for the hearings. Kim Ji-yeon, Arirang News.